Want to know all about West Bengal MBBS counseling procedure, admission process, college details, fee structure, seat matrix, cutoff and etc. Watch this video. West Bengal has total 19 medical colleges offering MBBS course and accepting NEET UG. As on June 2019, among these 14 are government medical colleges and 5 are private medical colleges. West Bengal has total 2,600 MBBS seats available in all medical colleges. Among these, 2,150 MBBS seats available in government medical colleges and 450 MBBS seats available in private medical colleges. Among these 2,150 MBBS seats in government medical colleges, 323 MBBS seats goes to under All India quota and 1,827 MBBS seats goes to state quota. Among these 450 MBBS seats in private medical colleges, 225 MBBS seats goes to state quota, 157 MBBS seats goes to under management quota and 67 MBBS seats goes to under NRI quota. From West Bengal, total 55,888 number of candidates appeared in NEET UG 2018 and 32,741 number of students qualified in NEET UG. So in West Bengal, NEET UG 2018 qualified percentage was 59%. West Bengal MBBS cutoff 2018. Types of West Bengal NEET 2018 cutoff. All government medical colleges have two types of cutoffs. First one 15% All India quota cutoff and second one 85% state quota cutoff. All private medical colleges have three types of cutoffs. First one 50% state quota cutoff, second one 35% management quota cutoff and third one 15% NRI quota cutoff. We are providing All India quota cutoff, state quota cutoff, management quota cutoff and NRI quota cutoff for each reservation category, college-wise for government and private medical colleges in below tables. If you want to find out whether you can get MBBS seat in your desired college for your NEET score, you need to pick the colleges from the below list and check your rank given for a reservation category. If your score falls within that rank range for your category, then you have good chance to get that college. If you find any difficulty, call us. This information provides the last rank and equivalent marks secured. West Bengal NEET cutoff 2018 All India quota medical seats. Under unreserved category, opening rank was 2095 and opening marks was 592 and closing rank was 9803 and closing marks was 539. Under OBC category, closing rank was 8833 and closing marks was 544. Under SC category, opening rank was 13,437 and opening marks was 525 and closing rank was 60,032 and closing marks was 424. Under ST category, opening rank was 34,106 and opening marks was 470 and closing rank was 73,000 and closing marks was 406. West Bengal MBBS cutoff 2018. State quota seats of government medical colleges. Under unreserved category, opening rank was 5,214 and opening marks was 563 and closing rank was 29,949 and closing marks was 479. Under OBC A category, opening rank was 5,923 and opening marks was 559 and closing rank was 30,596 and closing marks was 478. Under OBC B category, opening rank was 6,718 and opening marks was 554 and closing rank was 32,617 and closing marks was 474. Under SC category, opening rank was 42,712 and opening marks was 453 and closing rank was 1,22,666 and closing marks was 349. Under ST category, opening rank was 1,44,100 and opening marks was 330 and closing rank was 4,03,360 and closing marks was 183. West Bengal MBBS cutoff 2018 state quota seats of private medical colleges. Under unreserved category, opening rank was 30,920 and opening marks was 477 and closing rank was 35,293 and closing marks was 468. Under OBC category, opening rank was 39,391 and opening marks was 460 and closing rank was 62,032 and closing marks was 421. Under SC category, opening rank was 1,25,279 and opening marks was 347 and closing rank was 1,33,231 and closing marks was 340. Under ST category, opening rank was 4,47,200 and opening marks was 168. And closing rank was 5,18,015 and closing marks was 146. West Bengal MBBS fees in private medical colleges. MBBS fee structure of IQCT Medical College, Durgapur. For state quota seats, the fees is rupees 1,58,000 per year, and for management quota seats, the fees is rupees 6,34,000 per year. MBBS fees of Jagannath Gupta Institute of Medical Sciences and Hospital. For state quota seats, the fees is rupees 1,58,000 per year. For management quota seats, the fees is rupees 6,34,000 per year. And for NRI quota seats, the fees for full course is rupees 1 crore 20 lakh. MBBS fees of KPC Medical College, Kolkata. MBBS fees of KPC Medical College. For government quota seats, the fees is rupees 9,90,000 per year, and for management quota seats, the fees is rupees 40,50,000 per year. West Bengal MBBS fee structure in government medical colleges. Fees of West Bengal in government medical colleges varies from 1,364 per year to 24,000 per year. Midnapur Medical College has lowest MBBS fees 1,364 per year, and ESIC Medical College Joka has highest MBBS fees 24,000 per year.